Mike, what updates increase my home value the most?
Well, I don't think it's a secret. Most people are going to spend money on the kitchens and the bathrooms because in general, when you truly break down the components of a house, there's only so many updates you can do to a bedroom because you have 4 walls, you might have a closet, and you have some flooring. So you really, aside from paint and flooring, there's only so many updates you can do to a bedroom. But to increase the overall condition of the home, you would be looking at kitchens, bathrooms, or if you're adding fencing, patios, decks, those types of things, because those things are nice features to have in the home.
Okay. What about a finished basement?
So again, finished basements are absolutely fantastic. It adds to the space that the homeowner can use within the home. But as an appraiser, when we start talking about finished area below grade, it's not necessarily going to add to the square footage of the home, but it may actually add value to it if other homes in the area also are selling that have finished basements.
Okay. Very good. Thanks, Mike.